In this video, we are talking about the basic information of Tesla Pi 5G. Its official price, specifications, and the releasing date. It is rumored that their new device will be launched in 2023. You will be amazed to learn about the functionality of this new device. Tesla has told us that this new device will have a lot of updated things. Basically, the smartphone will have high regulations. This means that if you use this smartphone, the network system will be working in forests and mountains. The only reason for this is that this smartphone will have the power to receive a network from the satellite. The Tesla Pi phone operating system component of this smartphone now includes Android 12, which is automatically upgraded to Android 13. According to the potent Qualcomm Snapdragon 5G mobile platform, this phone is incredibly speedy. This Tesla Model Pi made use of GSM, CDMA, HSBA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G networks. The best location to get a Tesla Model Pi is from the company's official store. Tesla has a range of payment alternatives, allowing you to pick the one that works best for you. Tesla also provides free delivery on all purchases over $100, allowing you to receive one smartphone at your front door. The Tesla company declares to bring a new smartphone to the world mobile market as soon as possible, whose name is Tesla Pi 5G Phone 2023. The smartphone comes in 4 new colors, whose name is Mocha Brown, Black, Polished Blue, and Pink Gold. If you want to buy a high-performance Tesla smartphone from the local mobile market, first, check the Tesla Phone 2023 release date, price, features, and specs. The CPU of the Tesla Pi phone is the sole aspect of its hardware specifications that we are aware of. Unfortunately, there has been contradicting information from a few sources. According to rumors, Tesla is reportedly working internally to produce a processor that will be exclusive to the Pi phone with its 2023 flagship devices, leaving the Tesla Pi 5G 2023 chipset uncertain. On December 21, 2023, the device is rumored to go on sale in the USA at a starting price of $800-$1,200. This slim, elegant, and lightweight phone will be available in a variety of colors. The Tesla Pi 2023 mobile phone runs the Android 12 operating system and has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. A 4700 mAh battery may also be there, allowing you to use the device for prolonged periods of time while playing games, listening to music, watching films, and other activities without thinking about the battery dying. It comes with 128 or 256 or 512 GB storage and 6 or 12 GB RAM. The look of this smartphone is really amazing. It will give a good look to your personality. And a little more information about this phone is that the owner and the creator of this phone is Elon Musk. And he is the richest person of the world, due to its creativity on technology. This is why the Tesla Phone Pi is most demanded phone in the world, and iPhone users are also searching for it. And this phone is also best for PUBG, Free Fire and other Android phones, due to its processor and long-lasting battery. And this is the most searched phone on internet because it is Tesla's launch. We are also waiting for it to create an unboxing video of this phone. And near in future we will start an amazing offer for our viewers to get a chance to win the new phones, laptops, iPads and other electronics, and we are working for a complete video of its guidance about playing this game. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.